Hi everyone, I'm Ron, and today we are diving into two of the most powerful business intelligence platform, Looker and Power BI. Whether you are running a small team or managing enterprise level data analytics, this video will help you understand the key difference, pros and cons of each platform so you can make an informed decision. Right, so without wasting any time, let's go to Looker, which is made by Google, and this is Power BI, very popular, made by Microsoft. So Looker and Power BI are two robust platforms designed to streamline data, platform analytics, and a lot more with actionable insight. While they have overlapping features, they cater to a slightly different need and preferences, which we'll talk here. So first of all, let's talk about the pricing and affordability. Let's start with the Looker. So it has a custom pricing based on usage and organizational needs, typically very expensive and aimed at mid to large enterprise. Includes advanced features like embed analytics. On the other hand, Power BI will give you free access if you have a Microsoft account and start at around $9 as well as with the $14 per user per month. Free version available with limited features, but premium plan available for large team, which is $20 per user, that is monthly. So, if you are on a tight budget, Power BI free plan is a great starting point. For large team needing enterprise level features, Looker may be worth the investment, but Power BI is also good in large enterprise. Now let's go with the ease of use and customization. So Looker requires SQL knowledge for advanced customization and beginner friendly interface, but better suited for technical users. Ideal for team with dedicated data analyst or engineers. Power BI, if you talk about Power BI, drag and drop interface for creating dashboards and reports, beginner friendly with pre-built templates and visualizations, great for non-technical users. So if you value simplicity and visual appealing, Power BI is the way to go. For team comfortable with SQL and technical configuration, Looker is a better fit. Now there's the integration and compatibility. Right, so here Looker has a deep integration with Google Cloud Platform and BigQuery, right? And I have used Looker and I have made a tutorial on it. So you can just check out. It has a good integration, API access from custom integration, ideal for organization using modern data stack, right? On the other hand, Power BI's seamless integration with Microsoft products with Excel, Azure, Dynamics 65, right? And you can just has extensive library of connectors for third-party apps, better suited for team already in the Microsoft ecosystem. For team relying heavily on Microsoft tool, Power BI integrations is unmatched. Looker compatibility with Google Cloud make it ideal for tech-forward organization. Now let's talk about the advanced features and scalability. So Looker is embedded analytics for sharing inside externally, data modeling with LookML for reusable logic, governance and security features for enterprise team. Power BI has AI-powered insights and natural language query, real-time dashboard and collaboration tool, limited governance compared to the Looker. So for growing team that need robust governance and scalability, Looker is a better choice. Power BI excel in simplicity and real-time analytics. Okay, but what's happen when we use these two products in real-world use case? So let me give you an example. Looker use case is a tech company managing large data set in Google Cloud would benefit from Looker advanced modeling and governance feature. Power BI real use could be a marketing team using Microsoft Excel and Azure for data analytics would find Power BI's seamless integration and user-friendly interface valuable. So, Looker is ideal for technical skill team seeking advanced governance and scalability, while Power BI is perfect for small to medium businesses needing simplicity and affordability. Choose based on your specific needs, budget, and growth plan. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more.